What I'm going to do is go over a set of rechargeable batteries, AAA batteries from the company BONAI. I think's how you would say that. I don't know how to say that. And this is a 16 pack. And then also I have their battery charger that has up to 8 slots, and it can charge, you know, a wide variety of batteries. So let me just go ahead and open these up and show you what these look like. Those seem to be stuck down in there. You can see you get 4 packs of 4, and they're labeled on the side. And then on the side, they're 1.2 volt. We'll put those right there, and it looks like they gave you a little card. Oh, it's just kind of like a little user card on how to use batteries. If you haven't figured it out, you probably got bigger issues than that. Then looking over this thing, so look at this thing. I did have it out and charge up some batteries. So they give you a USB-C cable, but I have a ton of those things. But here's why I really like this charger. It has a USB-C and a USB micro mini that goes in, and there's AA, AAA charging ports right there. And then in the middle is C and D charging ports. So you've got basically every major battery covered within this. The only thing you don't have is 9-volt, and I actually have some 9-volt that just charge on the side. You can, and then let's just put them in here and see how they charge. If you're like me and you've got like a wide variety of like products that take AA, AAA batteries, I highly recommend just going ahead and getting rechargeable now, because of the fact that if you're not using rechargeable, you're just going to be buying batteries constantly. I love the fact, you know, I always have batteries fully charged, ready to go. Always, like, I just charge them up and then get them ready, and then I'm set. So when something goes dead, I just drop them out and then put the old ones back in here. And that's where something like this comes in really handy. There we go. You have to line them up there. So let me go ahead and plug these in, and let's see how they charge. And what this is going to be, there's a series of lights here, and going over the light, then you're going to put the batteries in, and they're going to turn red. And then when it goes to a full green, that means they're completely charged. And if the red's on, like a solid red on, it's charging. If it's flashing red, you've got either a circuit overload or a faulty battery. So let me go ahead and put these on there, and let me show you what they look like. All right, what I'm going to test it with is my Vigor. This is my 130-watt charger. This thing is a beast, by the way, and I really like this this power bank here. So let's just plug this in, the USB-C, and watch what it does. This thing has enough power to make it happen. So these are, as you see, as soon as you plug it in, it's going to be all red. Now, I'm going to leave this here, and I'm going to come back and see how it charges these up. So let me go do something real quick, then I'll come back and we'll see if it's fully charged. Okay, there it is. Some of them just turned green. It took a couple hours because I think these were completely dead, but you can see how it's red and then it turns green. And I am charging out of this instead of a power outlet. But these things have, I don't see a problem with them at all. So now that these are fully charged, I'll take these out. That one's green, so I'll take that one out. And we'll let the rest of these charge. We'll see if one goes off while we're sitting here. This will give me thousands of cycles between all of these batteries right here. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the BONAI 1100 milliamp AAA batteries with charger. Oh, it just turned green. See y'all in the next video.